What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Kia Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to be for vehicles that have a push button start ignition. If you have a regular turnstile ignition, your fob will be a bit different, but we're looking at the ones with push button start ignition. And this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the Smart Key. That's done by pressing this release here, and that'll allow the key to slide out. And this emergency key has just a little bit of a lip on it. And what we're gonna do is take the key and we're gonna put it in this slot right here, just above where we slid the emergency key out of. Put it in that slot, make sure you have it all the way pushed in, and then we're just gonna twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. So put it in there, make sure it's all the way in, and then twist, and that'll pop the shell apart just a little bit. Go ahead and pull it all the way apart. Then if we look in the back of the shell, we can see our battery right here. And you can use your key again just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Plus side down like that. And then go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.